What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about this. And you're like, whoa, what the hell's in the box then? A second one of this. I was talking with a friend of mine, Colby. I'll mention you, buddy. I'll mention you. He was like, oh, you know, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna buy a water hose? What do you recommend? Blah blah blah. And I couldn't stop talking about this company again. Eley. I'm not too sure about the pronunciation, but I couldn't stop talking about them, and I kept telling everybody, like, this is the way to go. This thing is incredible, especially with this attachment. But then, you know, there's a sale going on, and he was like, oh, I might just get both attachments. I never thought about getting this other attachment. Let me preface this, okay? That was a stupid mistake. So this thing has been one of the coolest purchases I've made. It literally is as close to a pressure washer type pattern and pressure as you're going to get without using a pressure washer. I've used it in so many different videos so far. I can't stop using it when I'm cleaning my wheels, tires, fender wells. If I'm not using a pressure washer, I'm using this. The handle is incredible. You operate it like this. It goes up, up, up. So it could be like a stream. Down one is in the middle pattern. Down again is like the widest pattern, and again, super high quality, 10-year warranty, and it's just got some heft to it. It feels great in the hand, and I can't stop talking about this product. It is pricey, I get it. It's not going to be for all of you. I'm actually feeling a burn in my arm, my tiny little arm. I'm not swole. It's like, it's coming down. So I actually just finished making a video on this. These are water breakers. They're still wet. That's how recent this video was, just like literally like 10 minutes ago. You're going to see a ton of videos with the same hoodie. I mention it in every video, but you're going to see a ton of these videos. I can't stop thinking about these products because it was like, okay, this floods the paint. But when I had these, I didn't really put two and two together. The amount of pressure from this with that, blah, blah, blah. So then I looked online. I'm like, all right, I'm feeling a little FOMO. Let me go get this. You could buy this attachment. You could just get this. And I think it's like $20 or something, whatever. You don't have to buy a second unit. But to me, I didn't want to have to keep taking this off, right? For me, this is on, it's a one and done situation. So I was like, why not buy a completely second unit? So now, because I bought a completely second unit, I've got a 100% replacement here. This is what that looks like, right? So instead of me having to take that off, I now have a 100% hand replacement that I could just put a quick disconnect on, and now I've got one for this attachment and one for that attachment. I'm going to open this, I'm going to attach that, I'm going to put this on, and I'm going to demonstrate both of them right now real quick so you can see which one you want or need. Because of FOMO, you gotta have it. Why you put tape? Why you gotta put tape on that? I was so excited to just open this thing and be like, oh, it's open. I'm so excited it's open, but it's not. It's not open. Well, it's done. This one's taped too. I'll be damned. Alright, so this I'm gonna save here. If you haven't seen the other video, you're gonna see in a second the demonstration, but like I just said, you move this up and down and it depends on whether you're gonna get a 0 degree, 15 degree, or 30 degree. This is what I use the most. I don't really use either one of these for any reason, but they're there in case you want them or need them or have to have them. These attachments, this is a effortless movement, and I buy these. This is the product I use for all my quick disconnects. I have a lot of attachments. You don't need to buy a million of the ones that go onto your hose. You just need one. So you could buy these in 3-packs. So it's made by Essential Washer. I'll link it down below, from Amazon. And I've had the best luck with these. These are just quality. They look good, they feel good, and I haven't had any fail. Again, they're on pretty much every goddamn thing. Everything that I use, I've had this specific one on, and I've had no problems, so I can't complain. So this is what we have. This is the OG, and again, I beat this up. I dragged this on the ground. It's chewed up a little bit. It looks like a little rat was eating it. You know, things get used. When things are good, they get used. If they're bullshit and they just sit in a corner and there's not a single mark on them, I don't trust anybody's assessment of the situation. So you're gonna tell me you used that product, but it doesn't look used. So how are you gonna tell me about that product when it doesn't even look like you put it through its paces? So that thing's beat up. This is what it looks like when you buy it. It's got this like piece in here. Let me put this light on. I didn't want to have this on before. It'll probably make things better, but I don't know if you can see. I did it in another video, but there's like a ball head in there. Here, like this. And that's what opens up from this. This movement is so effortless. This feels great. So what I usually use is stuff like this. Some kind of higher thickness. It's a 3.5 mil thick professional PT FE tape. This is the type of one I use. It always comes in the gray. You can use whatever you want. I know the typical thing is the white one. If you want to use that one, go for it. For me personally, the one I use is this one, and especially just because I am the way that I am. Just give it a couple turns. All right, so basically for this, you're just gonna do what you know how to do. You're gonna turn and you're gonna pop this back on. We're gonna tighten this down as much as we can. All right, so that's on there, right? Now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open this. Now this is what I wanted the whole time. It's called the brass watering nozzle, and it's gonna have, I don't know much about it. It's got different discs. Oh, this is interesting. I don't know if you can read anything because the lighting sucks. Typical OCD video. More holes, more water, less distance. Fewer holes, more distance, less water. Okay. So you can, this is customizable, fellas. How does that come out? Oh, that is ridiculous. So this is what it looks like. This is freaking smart. So you put this on top here, and you're gonna turn it, and this is the tool. That's ridiculous. This right here says screen change tool. What a proprietary, awesome thing. So that's gonna bring this out, super cool. And then, how does that come out? I guess you're gonna poke your pinky through. Yep, you can put your finger right through, remove that, and it's got a little gasket in here. So you get to decide what you wanna do. It says micro screen, so this says minimum, oh, okay, hold on. I don't know if you can see the words. This says 4 GPM. So that's 4 gallons per minute. Hold on, this product is ridiculous. This says minimum, this is 3 GPM. This is 2 gallons per minute, and this is 1 gallon per minute. That's nuts. So you can, this is less holes. So you can have it, wow, are we gonna have to change all of these? We're gonna have to do this, right? All right, so it's gonna put this back in here. All right, and we're gonna tighten this down. And this is the 4 GPM. I had no idea that this was gonna be as cool as it is. I'm actually really happy. I'm assuming you don't have to go too much more than that. That felt super snug, barely put any effort into it. So what I'm gonna do is put some Teflon tape here on this thing, and then we're just gonna tighten this down. This is the main reason I didn't wanna have to keep changing the heads, because the Teflon tape and whatnot. So when I put my tape on, now we can just put this on. This thing just looks ridiculous. It looks so cool. So we're gonna pop this in. That's it. I would like it. I wish it would have had that centered. It didn't go. It is what it is. But this is gonna be awesome. And we can change this on the fly anytime we want. Super quick, super easy. So let's go plug this onto the hose, and then we're gonna see how this does too. I don't know, man. I'm freaking excited about it. So just like with my last video, that you probably see right before this, I was talking about this. I'm actually gonna show you again, a little crash course reminder of what was in that video. Quick, easy peasy, I got my valve, and that's what we're dealing with. This is gonna be a good comparison to see about the water pressure too. I feel like this is coming out and it's nice and it's got a lot of water pressure. So we're gonna shut this. So now, let me show you real quick what this thing does. We turn our valve on, and this is my typical setup. Again, this has got the full swivel. This is what I usually do when I'm doing my wheels or whatever. Like I said, it's as close as you're gonna get to a pressure washer without a pressure washer. That is serious power, okay? And you can change it to that degree right there, or one there, or again, not a huge difference between the second and the third, but that is serious power. Now, what I like about this is I'm gonna be able to go from this pee-pee to the watering setup here. As simple as that, right? And you know, pressurize. Now, this is the first time I'm doing it, so we're gonna learn right away. Okay, this feels really, look at that spray pattern. Definitely doesn't feel, hold on. It's got a nice pattern. It's definitely nice, right? But it definitely doesn't feel as thick. And it doesn't have the body that the other one has. We're gonna change the screens real quick. So the one that's in there, simple as this. Just gonna go on the fly. We can change this anytime we want. Now the problem's gonna be, oh, okay, good. I'm glad that popped out, because I was just about to say, how in the hell am I gonna get my pinky through there? All right, so that one is the 4 GPM. Let's see with the 3 GPM. We're gonna pop that in. We're gonna put this here, get it started. We're gonna put the little tool on, tighten it down nice. We're gonna turn this on. Oh, hold on. Yeah, there's the body. That other one was definitely not as much. There's more power coming here. It feels fat. It feels fat and thick. This one is definitely more powerful than the other one. I guess if you're watering your lawn or something, that 4 GPM, that might be it. You know, that might be like a really, really good thing. It could be delicate or whatever. How am I gonna... Okay, so if you tap it a couple times, these do come out pretty easy. So now let's do 2 GPM. I'll pop that back in. This thing is freaking incredible. Just make sure we're putting it on the right side. Get it started. Give it a little tight here. Let's turn this one on. Wow. Okay, this is so nice. Am I the only one that's like super freaking impressed with this? There's definitely some push on the handle. Like you hold it, like it wants to, see how, it's a heavy handle. That's not an exaggeration. That thing has some oof, and it wants to go. That's definitely, all right, I'm excited. Let's go full beans. Let's grab the last one. And let's see what that looks like. Get that one out. So that's 2 GPM. Let's see, what is this one? This is 1 GPM. Let's pop that in there. Let's tighten this down. It's a little cold, a little windy to be doing this. I'm not going to complain. There's no violin needed. Yeah, you can see the difference. There's definitely, like I said, I'm getting water everywhere. This is serious. This is 1 and 2 are crazy. There is some like power behind that. 1 and 2 are absolutely crazy. 4 is a mega fluff. I probably wouldn't use 4 unless I somehow take up gardening, which obviously there's the purpose of that is for watering gardens. It's like a little more of a delicate, less bodied, fat inside, middle feeling and thicker and less power. This is just like, 1 and 2 are crazy. I could see literally washing the whole car with this. This right here, paired with this, eliminates the need for pretty much anything, period. And now if that's not in your budget and you don't want to do that, the move is the water breaker. Honestly, as far as I'm concerned, that's the move. I'm gonna put this down. that's where the water breaker would come. This is infinitely less expensive, and you know, you can flood the paint. The power difference is disgusting. Disgusting. How I haven't touched how much water is going through this hose, and the amount of power that was able to come out of that handle on the same amount of water pressure is wild to me, because you would think coming through here without any restrictions that the water would just whatever, but whatever is inside of here, whatever this is doing is it's doing God's work. This thing looks good. I'm getting a giant puddle in the garage, but to be honest with you, I don't really give that many F's. I think this is definitely something that you're going to want to buy. Both of them are something you're going to want to get. Obviously, it's brass. It can get tarnished. I think you can do Brasso or something. Like, you could see this one I've had for coming up on a year now, and definitely could use some cleaning. I think I'm going to look into that. Again, maybe Brasso will do it. They are brass, so it should be the way to go. Definitely, I recommend you look into getting these. I would say get both, but if you don't mind swapping the heads out, definitely, it was under $100. I had some kind of spring sale. I can't say if there's not going to be another sale another time. Again, I'm not affiliated with this company, period. But I think this is definitely something to get, and get the quick disconnects with this. You have an unbeatable system, an unbeatable setup that I think will last you forever, and is a 10-year warranty. A 10-year warranty. I know some people won't even put 30-day warranties on their products, and this company's got a 10-year warranty. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you, and I hope everybody's doing well. I hope you're staying happy, healthy, and humble, and I recommend you go check this product out. I will link everything down below. Stay safe, everybody. I'll see you on the next one.